Street Machine weekend is cancelled, unfortunately.
Yep, so we've just heard the news. Street Machine have decided to cancel the event. First off, we just want to say that as much as we are completely shattered that it is cancelled, we do understand why Street Machine have cancelled it, being that they have the public's best interest in mind. So we respect them for that. It wouldn't have been an easy call to make, obviously, because it's what, 4 weeks or something like that from the actual event itself now. So
3 weeks.
3 weeks from the event
3
itself.
weeks away.
So to cancel that sort of late in the game, that's a big call to make. So we just want to make that clear first. But secondly, we're shattered.
I'm gutted. No words can describe it. I've been putting a lot of money, time into this car to get it to Street Machine Drag weekend, and was really excited for it. For my first time racing, first time serious, not really competition. We were just doing it for just a bit of fun with the boys and a good weekend. Cut to me ready to race this thing, even with a suit on.
So yeah, basically, we were really pushing to get this done before drag weekend, because none of us have ever done an event. In fact, none of us have even drag raced at all. So we really didn't know what to expect, except we just thought we'd give it a crack and see how it went. And we thought it would just be a good time.
Good boys weekend.
But I guess, what's the plan going on from here?
Still going to finish the car at the pace we're going. Still going to do, the hackness that we're doing.
To get it ready.
Not that it's hack. This isn't hack. This was a good running car for 9 months till that motor blew up. The old motor, it's over there. We're still going to go ahead. We're still going to push out the videos as like we are going to do Drag Challenge. We're still going to get the car together the way we would have for Drag weekend.
Yep.
And hopefully find a track that's open on a Friday night or a Saturday night and still send it down the quarter mile.
Yep.
I still want to see what this Titanic will run. It is a big car. It has full interior. It has amps. It has subs. It has a lot more weight on the car. So don't expect quick numbers for this car. But we'll still send it down the track, and I'm excited to send it down the track still. So don't worry, there's still more coming.
Yeah, so obviously, we're part 1 and part 2 currently out up on YouTube at the minute. We're a little bit ahead of that, so there'll still be videos to come where we're still working towards Drag Challenge, because at that stage we thought it was still happening. So there's still, I think, 2 or 3 videos still to come, which we still will release. But we thought we would just give this update today to sort of give you guys an idea of what's happened and what our plan is from here. So the plan basically is we will continue to build the car as if we were going to Drag Challenge, with what we originally had in mind, and hopefully somewhere there'll be a track open or a strip open that we can send her down and actually see if she'll do what we intended her to do. Guys, if you want to like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. It really helps us out and really keeps us motivated to keep producing this sort of stuff. Quite honestly, we're just having a ball making it and learning stuff along the way, because we have no idea what we're doing here. In case you haven't figured that out already. But yeah, any help is awesome, and we'll keep it going basically.
But we're still going to be doing Drag Challenge in November.
The full Drag Challenge.
The full drag week is in Victoria, obviously where we're from, so we don't have to drive to Sydney. So we're going to be doing Drag Challenge in November still. Hopefully the car will probably have a lot better parts on it by then.
Yeah.
Because after I send it down the track, I'm probably going to be like, oh, let's just put this on. Oh, let's just do this. Oh, let's just do this. So it will be a lot better for Drag Challenge.
Yeah.
Possibly videos of what we do to it to get it to there, but that's a while away. So
yeah. And in between all that too, we've got a lot more content coming as far as other cars that we're working on and stuff like that. There's a backlog of cars that we need to do a lot of work to get ready for various different things. So
Turbo Crossflow is on the list.
Apparently. V8 rebuilds, T5 box into a HQ Holden. The Tonner that my brother's been working on, Daniel's been working on now for so many months, that'll be getting near finish soon, so that'll be exciting to see on the road. So we'll probably do a video about that at some stage.
Maybe a review.
Yeah, a review. Yeah. It's a long build, but he's getting there. So yeah, thanks guys. see you in the next video. Happy with that?
Yeah, that was good. That was solid. Probably gonna chop out a lot of the shit, but